Nah, because why is my crush literally so much to handle? Because I will look at his arm because he's bleeding, and this mence will say no. Bro, chill, it's not like I'm gonna sell it on the black market. But also, he will walk up to me and say, watch your back. I'm scared to breathe around him, you breathe. Boom, you're done. I have school tomorrow, so I better suit up for war, bro. Okay, bye, Pukies.